3 people accused of breaking into President Cyril Ramaphosa's farm, stealing over $500,000. They'll appear before the Modimolle Magistrate's Court in Limpopo today. Immanuela David, siblings Floriana and Ndilinasho Joseph, they allegedly stole the money, which had reportedly been concealed in a sofa in February of 2020. Let's get our reporter Koketšo Motau, who joins us now live from Modimolle. Koketšo, very good morning to you and thank you for your time. Perhaps you can bring us up to speed. What's the latest emerging from court, the atmosphere, the mood as that court proceedings continue?
Well, good morning to you, Lizelle, and good morning to the viewers. Indeed, we are here at the Modimolle Magistrate Court where these 3 accused are expected to appear here. Today, we are expecting the judge to give, a judgment on the 4th, witness who has been taking the stand. We understand that this is one of the witnesses that the state believe that he is compromised because he's actually changing statements. But I want to bring in the spokesperson of NPA in Limpopo, Modimolle, just to give us the latest of what we can expect. Thank you so much for joining us here on SABC. Mashudu, just take us through what can we expect today?
We are expecting to get the judgment of the state witness whom the state want the court to declare him hostile because he was testifying against the statement that he gave to the police. So for now, we are expecting to proceed with 3 witnesses.
You are saying that this witness is hostile, and you also, in fact, the investigating officer also mentioned that this very same witness is actually using the car belonging to the parents of the accused to come to court. Could you take us through that?
Yes, it was found that he claimed using the Polo, which belongs to the mother of accused number 2, Floriana and Ndilinasho, from Northwest to here in Modimolle. So he even gave that evidence to show to the court that indeed the mother gave him the vehicle. So it's true that he can't testify against the 2 accused because he's got interest.
All right, this case, we understand that it has been taking so long. Could you please remind our viewers about the charges that these people are actually facing?
Yeah, the first charges are conspiracy to commit housebreaking with intent to steal and theft, and housebreaking with intent to steal and theft, plus money laundering, which is only applied to accused number 2, Immanuela David.
And then in terms of this witness that we're expecting the judgment on, what do you want to see as the NPA, what you want to see happening going forward?
Yes, we want to see the court when he set an example, because there are a lot of witnesses who can take an oath, but they will lie here. So the state witness is testifying saying that he couldn't write, he couldn't speak English, but he's able to drive. He's got a driver's license. He's working, and where he's working, he's able to put his signature wherever he goes to work. So he gave the different story that he can't even hear English or he can't even write. So we want to see the justice.
And this very same witness is also claiming that this statement that was actually presented before the court was actually brought to him by the police just to sign. He's claiming that he didn't write anything there. Tell us about that.
Yes, the first thing, we were surprised when he was able to identify his date of birth by putting it that this is the date of birth, while he is aware that he has already told the court that he can't even read. But he also mentioned that the police officer, they came with the statement being typed and he only amended his signature. He was able to identify the signature. He didn't put the fingerprint or put the cross, but he was just able to write the signature, just like any other person was able to write.
All right, Mashudu, thank you so much for talking to us here on SABC News. That is Mashudu Malawi, the spokesperson of NPA in Limpopo. We are expecting these court proceedings to commence, just in the next few minutes, and we are expecting to see what is going to unfold, particularly when coming to that judgment regarding this, state witness.